pleases me and is noble to me, of a friend who attends to joy, that with a pure, clear, worthy heart, whatever good service he may have, let him show to her his good work and his wisdom. Only let it fall out well, good and joy come to him from it, for which it's fitting and proper that a song tell of it, adorned with prized words, for I am very nobly begged to sing and enjoy myself. And because more often I don't sing, I do wrong, for such a one holds me rejoicing,
and cheers me and pacifies me.
For this I say, I don't lie of it, that to my knowledge there is no one so
joyful in the world,
for which in her mercy I have placed myself forever, with a heart that won't pull away from it,
and given and surrendered.
and if I say or do anything of good,
let the thanks be hers.
by such a covenant I made myself a present to her, for she gave me sweetly,
Kissing
her true love,
and said to me, laughing,
friend, I give you my body,
and do with it what pleases you. What pleases you. Do with it, and do with it, and do with it what pleases you. Do with it, and do with it, and do with it what pleases you. Do with it, and do with it, and do with it what pleases you. Do with it,
what pleases you,
do with it what pleases you. And when I remember the honor and the good, my heart doesn't dismay at all,
nor stay sorrowful,
for with beautiful, honored pleasures her friendship holds me.
I don't frighten myself at all, nor give up on youth, for false noise of wicked people whom prowess frightens.
And because each one feels his weak, failing heart, they think the world is falling,
And they don't resemble me,
for I know and think and believe
that the world, whoever cries of it
or shouts or makes noise of it,
is good to the prized worthy,
and evil to the wicked. Doing it and doing it and doing it what pleases you. Doing it and doing it.
I am hers. So since good comes to me from it, I cry to her for mercy humbly. Let no one make themselves believe that ever for anything it would fall out,
That in my life
my heart or my desire,
I pull from her rich power,
for love has me with her,
and holds my good hope,
despite wicked people,
so that
from another side it doesn't please me or delight me,
that I turn my desires.
I am hers without dispute, for no other lady forbids me from her.
And you, song, go.
And for anything that anyone may draw you,
Don't delay at all,
until my plus have an end.
even if someone gave you blame.
And because I worry myself of seeing her for
Anything,
I beg her, let it not fall to my harm,
for I have grown weary,
with such a one,
in whom is beauty.
worth and humility.